I'm Seomun, born and raised in Los Angeles. I dabbled in sewing since I was in high school. I grew up in the punk and hardcore scene where you just wear vests with your favorite band patches on, but you sew it on yourself, or you low-key ask your mom to do it for you. But I was learning how to sew through that. I started repairing my own clothes. I started adding my own touch on my own clothing. I learned how to do things my way. Learned how to sew my way using traditional hand sewing technique from Japan called sashiko. Thanks to the true DIY culture, I learned how to do things my way. I love to customize and wear shit my way. That's why I created Seomun. That's why I sew. All of my